Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Cumming, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move takes place across a distance of 50 miles or more. 3 men in a truck offers a fast and damage-free long-distance moving service. We prioritize the safety of our clients' properties, which is why our movers handle them carefully. Your items are sorted and loaded into our moving trucks, and we maintain our trucks and check them before every move. There is no case of vehicle breakdown or any fault. Our drivers are used to the bustling cities and know the best route to play. There is also the available necessary clearance to travel long distances. We set up adequate insurance to cover risk while your items are in our custody. Our long-distance moving rates are very affordable. We have a transparent pricing system, and our clients are sure we charge fair rates. If you hire our local moving service, we introduce you to the world of affordable extravagance. Our local moving are very efficient. Ask around. You will get the best testimonies of our remarkable services. We are your go-to firm for your urgent moves. We execute our moves with accuracy and efficiency. In addition to our excellent service, we keep our hourly rates low, charging between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cumming moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.